Your scan tool can do more. Are you using it to its full potential? Most technicians stop at reading codes and live data, but your scan tool can do much more than that. Integrating RepairSolutionsPRO with your scan tool helps streamline diagnostics and ensures more confident, accurate repairs. Monitor status. Check if monitors have completed their self-tests and know when a repair is passed. Active test. Check the functionality of actuators, relays, and components without removing parts or damaging parts. Workshop tools. Perform dealership-level routines, self-tests and calibrations for diagnosis, service, and repairs like oil reset, throttle relearn, TPMS sensor registration, and more. Connect to the RepairSolutionsPRO app. It's available on App Store and Google Play, no subscription needed, and totally free. For every trouble code, RepairSolutionsPRO gives you more than just a definition. It gives you direction. Fast, reliable, and built on real-world experience. Fix for DTC. Get the most likely cause of the problem, drawn from millions of actual repairs. See the recommended parts you'll need and where to get them. Hear from technician comments who've fixed the same issue before. Then follow clear, step-by-step repair tips to test and confirm what's really wrong. You'll even get predictive failures based on common failures across similar vehicles, and explore detailed vehicle specs and diagrams when you need that extra clarity. No switching tabs, no guessing. Just everything you need, all in one place. Quickly save reports before and after repair and share them instantly with customers or your team. Need more information? The RepairSolutionsPRO website has updates, manuals, guides, and FAQs to help you master your scan tool. Prefer videos? The RepairSolutionsPRO website offers a full library of how-to videos, from using your scan tool to tackling common repairs, all designed to help you work smarter and faster. Having trouble with your scan tool? Skip the guesswork. Reach out to the RepairSolutionsPRO customer service team. You'll get fast, expert help from real technicians who know diagnostics inside and out. With all these features, why stop just reading codes? Start fixing smarter with RepairSolutionsPRO today.